Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. We're trying to stay warm out here. It's in the 30s today, and the wind is like, you probably hear it in the background. Wind is like really blowing, but we've at least got the heater going in here. We got about 4 projects going on right now that you guys will be seeing. Well, actually, probably have already seen a few of them by the time this posts. I'm not even sure when this is going to post. But anyway, let's do some sign carvers of the day. We've got some really cool ones here. So, first up, Terry Butler. Tyler Butler, I'm sorry. Tyler Butler and his wife, they're both around 30 years old. They run their own sign business, and they have sold crafts and made them for years. So obviously, Tyler knows what he's doing. That is really a great job on that sign. I love the design too. What a great idea. Good job, Tyler. Chuck Young. Oh, my fingers aren't working. They're frozen. Chuck Young, for his daughters and stepson, and for his high school football team. That is really neat. Chuck has been following us for years. Chuck makes really cool stuff. Very nicely done, Chuck. Fabrice Best. Most of the colors on here are stain. I really love the way this looks. That is just, I don't know, reminds me of Lady and the Tramp.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, just awesome job, Fabrice. I love it. I think Fabrice is over in France, actually, if I remember correctly. Charlie Wooster, 24-inch round, chemically stained to look old.
That's pretty cool.
And it looks old. Good job, Charlie. Nicely done, buddy. Very nice. Greg Anderson, Vikings fan, I guess, or he made this for a Vikings fan. Nice job. Very nice. I like that on that round, like that way to, yeah, that looks really cool the way he laid that out. Great job, Greg. Mike Hutchison. First signs for his grandkids.
Hey, you did a great job.
Yeah, very nice. It almost looks, I would guess that those are pine. It looks like a pine with stain on it. I don't know that that's the case. It didn't tell me, but that's what it looks like. But really nice. Nice job, Mike. Richard Boyd, a lot of color. Look at the colors on this. Been just carving about 2 months. That's really inventive the way you did the clouds and then that white line around the clouds. That's really cool. I like that. Great job, Richard. Joe DeAngelis. Joe's been on Sign Carvers of the Day before. I love it. I love the way you did the frame around there. That really sets it off well. Great job. And that's a great niche, too. A lot of people love these things. So that's not a bad niche to go after, guys. Good job, Joe. Randy Hinshaw. First sign. This is for his granddaughter. Great job, Randy.
Cool little leash holder, it looks like.
Yeah, I think so. It's got the hooks on there for leashes, I'm assuming. Could be a coat holder, but probably leashes. Anyway, great job, Randy. All right, so now we're going to go sideways. Stephen Kawak, 10th sign. This is 12 by 22 by 1.25 inch thick, butternut live edge, Dungeons and Dragons font. And they've been watching us. He and his wife have been watching us for a while. Great job, Stefan. I love it. Really nice. Nicely done. Great job. Robert Held. And this is Robert and his stepson. Vicky made an 8-inch circle duck hunter. That's one of our standard templates. But Vicky made a bigger version for him because he needed it for this sign. And this is it's a Christmas gift for his stepson. Very nicely done, Robert. Love it. That's a cool sign. Bill Niven, very first sign. For a first sign, that is pretty darn good, Bill. Nicely done. Those are tough. The outset script letters like that, those can be tricky. Good job, Bill. Luke Schultz made a growth chart. Very popular, you guys. There's a lot of guys that are making these and doing really, really well with them. Great job, Luke. Tim McMullen, Christmas gifts for his grandchildren. Oh, don't let me forget to say what dates these are for. I think I didn't say that yet. Anyway, nicely done, Tim. I love all of the different designs. That's cool how you come up with 6 different versions.
Yeah.
Love it. Great job. Bert Graham from Canada. 12 by 27 cedar slab, 4 coats of spar urethane, and he gave it to a fellow sign carver.
That's nice. That's a really cool design.
I love that layout. Yeah, very nice. Mario Vasquez from Texas, 24-inch round made from cedar fencing, glued and backed with 1-inch strips on the back. So he that is really a neat way to go. So he just used the cedar fencing, and then he glued strips on the back, left those seams in there, and it looks great.
It does. That looks cool.
That looks really neat. Yeah, yeah. Great job, Mario. John Arend, our buddy from Pennsylvania. John's been carving for about a year and has made. He's been on Sign Carvers of the Day multiple times. I don't even know how many. But John and his wife came and visited with us for a while, a couple years ago. Anyway, John, hope you guys are doing well. Thanks, buddy. And this is Bob Odinger and his very first sign.
That's cute.
It was really cute. There's another great niche. Go after the pet industry. There's a lot of signs to be made out there. Great job, Phil Crawford. First sign. For a first sign, wow, pretty impressive, buddy.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Yeah, I love that board.
I know.
Very.
You did a good job on those edges.
On those ends, huh? On those ends, the way he gave it that broken look. Great job, Phil. And last but not least, Kevin Anderson made this as a tribute to my dad, who I did one this same layout. I did one a couple months ago, maybe a month ago, with some LEDs. But great job, Kevin. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah,
nice.
Very nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. Well, that is it, guys. Oh, before I forget, these are, so this will be in the title as well. These are December 14th of 2021 through January 22nd of 2022. So we've still got a pretty good stack, but if you guys have projects that you want to send us pictures of, we absolutely would love to share them with everybody here. So email them to me, Eric at makeawoodsign.com, and we will absolutely get them on there for you. So again, if you sent me pictures between December 14th of 2021 and January 22nd of 2022, it should be in this group, so it'll be easy for you to find. And we'll put that again in the title as well. So thanks, guys. We so appreciate everybody out there watching what we're doing and all of the support, the new premium members, the new executive members. And if you have any questions on that, you know how to get a hold of us. Thanks, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.